Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show how to design your own custom logo and set it up by using Adobe Illustrator, and we're going to convert the logo into ISO format as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your Illustrator, go to File, New, and width 2000, height 2000, and title, pick anything you want and hit create. So here is your artboard. Select the rectangular shape tool, hold shift and drag to make a square and drag it over here. Now pick any color you want, a dark gray I think, move it a bit up and select the type tool, type anything. I'm going for PS as it's the logo of Photoshop. Select it and make it large, around 800 pixel. Now drag it in, select the move tool and position it at middle. Change the color, a dark red I think, hit OK. Maybe I will change it into something lighter, hit OK. Now select the type tool again, select it, go to character panel, make it a bit closer and smaller as well. Now select both of them and align them from here. Click these two to align them perfectly. Now select the shape, hold Alt and drag to make a shape copy. Make it larger, drag it here and select all of them, align it too. Now select the outer layer and give it a light color, a light gray. Right click, arrange and make it back. Now hold Alt and drag to make another copy of the shape, resize it a bit small and we're gonna position it at middle as well. So select all of them, go to align, click this two again and here. Now about this shape we are gonna change the stroke a light gray and make the stroke width around 9. So we don't want any fill here, so make it none. And now the logo is ready, so group it down so you can move it freely. Ctrl Z to group it. And now you can move. Check them, it's aligned perfectly. Drag it here and go to file, export, export as. You have to export it as PNG file, so select PNG, rename it if you want and hit export. Now here resolution you can choose high and here you can choose art optimized. Hit OK. Make sure the background color is transparent and go to any browser, search for icon converter and hit enter. You will find the link at the top. Now choose file from here, make sure to check all of them. You can choose the bit depth as well. Choose your file, open it and click the convert. You can change it to 32 bits as well. Hit convert and it will download automatically. Now here is our ICO format. Go to desktop, right click properties, and here you will find change icon. Go to browse, select it, open it, hit OK. Now apply and hit OK again. There you have. Thanks for watching. I will be seen soon.